Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? YouTube world, you know what I mean? And my people on Facebook. I'm just doing a real reaction today. This is for the fathers. I know Father's Day just passed, and I had some fun for Father's Day. I got 3 kids myself, so. But this right here is like some serious situation, and I just want to get people's reaction on how they feel about the situation, because I know I know how I feel about the situation, but just something I want to make a video for. And it's a father. He's attacking his son's murderer basically in court. And he gets restraint and whatever. But you could just see the anger in his face. I was just like, yo, you don't somebody child. That's a whole different situation. So I was like, wow. I could imagine. You know what I mean? So let me see. Let me share this. And please like, subscribe. You know what I mean? Hit the notification button and let me know. I'm about to start dropping a lot of videos. And at the end, I'm gonna show y'all my little giveaway when I get 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to give away little stuff, trying to get used to doing that. Build up my little platform right now. So see if I put the video up for y'all. Okay, yeah. So this is the video right here. So we're gonna watch, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more talking after, just to explain how I felt about it. And yeah, let's hit it.
Base, can we get back up in 560 now? Scott?
Stay there. Don't
Have him
move.
sit down, Scott.
Don't move.
Have him scoot in, and if you could just stand behind him, please. I didn't hear Base respond, did you?
No, go cover me.
Judge, can you hit the panic alarm, please?
I'm not gonna lie, I can't help to tell like how long they just like got him there. He just like there's no backup. Like nobody else is running to him. It's just the ladies and the gentlemen. I think he's the officer too. I think it's just the 2 women and the gentleman trying to, hold him down and saying he looking pretty calm, but oh man, watch. Well, on the floor he looks pretty calm anyway.
My cousin's legs.
Okay.
You see guy over here to where he got his legs. Hold on. Just let me just go back one more time just so I can see that.
Grab my cups out my hair.
He came out quick. Hold on, before I start. He came out quick, like quick, fast. You know what I mean? But here we go again. One more time. Oh. Let me see if I get it. Let me see if I can get it right early. All right, here we go. Oh, all right. The first hit was a doozy, boy. I ain't gonna lie, them women strong, boy.
Up in 560 now. Scott?
See, they waiting for some backup.
Don't
Have him sit down,
move.
Scott.
Don't move.
He said, "Don't effing move."
Have him scoot in, and if you could just stand behind him, please. I didn't hear Base respond, did you?
No, go cover me.
Judge, can you hit the panic alarm, please?
Oh, they just hit the panic alarm, man. They ain't even see that coming.
My cousin's legs.
Okay. Grab my cups out my hair.
Nope.
You can see him making a little ruckus.
There's an arm.
You gonna come up for us? All right, roll over on your stomach.
Roll over. Stop, stop. Let me hear you.
Yeah, I got it. I don't have them, they're on him.
Oh, let me-
These are not gonna be comfortable. You go ahead.
Okay, they got him cuffed. They got him cuffed.
Got it. Calm down, calm
Yeah,
down.
that boy is
Stop.
in a trance, man. That man problem.
Stop. Stop.
You know, the Harvey right here, Sonia and Rose. Might need a supervisor.
Everybody in shock. Even the judge. Look at the judge. Like,
What happened? He jumped over?
Yeah, hit him pretty good.
he heard it, right? He said yeah, he hit him pretty good.
Under my foot. Stop.
What's wrong?
Chill out, dude.
He said, chill out, dude.
Take him. Take him there.
You can hear him say, he killed my son.
Chill out. Yeah, chill out.
Sit down. Sit.
Nope.
Sit down now.
Have a seat. Leave it. You good? Hey, chill out.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. No, yeah.
Have a seat in the courtroom. You have haircuts?
He's stuck.
He just acting.
Look, yeah, he tried. He said you need some cuffs. He got cuffs on.
Stop talking or we're taking you into custody. Sit down and
Stop.
calm.
You ain't even in here.
I'm good. I want you to be okay.
You good? Dude ain't even in here no more. Chill out. Ain't no reason to fight us. You understand? That's just gonna hurt you. No reason to fight us. Dude ain't even in here. You got it? Take a minute, breathe, chill out. No reason to fight.
He ain't got no reason to fight. Oh. All right, let me go back real fast, y'all. Ooh. So let me get out of here. Let's go fast. Oh, all right. Yeah, but. Whew. Now, I mean, now, I don't know about y'all, but man, I'll be pissed off too. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. And killed my son, and I see you in the courtroom like that. I was like, wow, man, that joint was crazy. But like, you know, I want to hear people comments like, how y'all feel about that? Like, I don't know. I know everybody gonna have their opinion on the situation, so I'd love to hear it. And one more thing I also want to talk about with the Supreme Court
To the decision.
overruling the gun rights situation, and also how y'all feel about that. So let me put it on the screen real fast. Well, here we go.
Decision by the Supreme Court overturning New York State's guidelines on concealed guns in public. In a 135-page ruling, the High Court struck down the century-old law, claiming it violates constitutional rights.
The court was split down ideological lines. The 6 conservative leading justices voting to overturn the law. The 3 liberal leading justices voting to uphold it. We have team coverage for you tonight. Carolyn Gussoff with reaction from supporters of the ruling. Marsha Kramer with reaction from local and state leaders. But we begin with Tony Aiello and how the court came to this ruling. Tony.
Maurice, it comes down to this. In most states, to get a carry permit, you have to meet objective criteria. No criminal record, no mental or substance abuse issues. You generally qualify. But New York adds subjective criteria. Do you face special danger that justifies carrying a pistol? The court voted 6-3 to strike that down. After 8 years of court battles, the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association declared victory.
The lawful and legal gun owner of New York State is no longer going to be persecuted by laws that have nothing to do with the safety of the people and will do nothing to make the people safer.
Oral arguments at the Supreme Court last November made it clear multiple justices were skeptical of New York's pistol permit laws, which required applicants to prove they faced special or unique danger and had proper cause to get a carry permit.
Why isn't it good enough to say I live in a violent area and I want to be able to defend myself?
And how is that consistent with the core right to self-defense, which is protected by the Second Amendment?
43 states had less restrictive concealed carry laws than New York, a fact cited by Justice Clarence Thomas, who wrote in the majority opinion, because New York issues public carry licenses only when an applicant demonstrates a special need for self-defense, we conclude that the state's licensing regime violates the Constitution. Attorney Philip Hamilton says the court decided you shouldn't have to prove a special need to exercise a constitutional right.
Having to show historically, have you had situations where people may have been trying to harm you? It's just going a bit too far, particularly when historically those regulations were not something in U.S. history that were applicable. You had the right to bear arms. And as far as the court interpreted as much today, they found that, New York's regulatory structure just went well beyond the constitutional protections.
This case made for some interesting bedfellows. Conservative icon, retired Judge Michael Ludig, supported New York's pistol permit restrictions as a historically rooted option for reducing the harms of gun violence in public, while the Progressive Legal Aid Society wanted the law struck down, saying it embodied arbitrary licensing standards that have inhibited lawful black and brown gun ownership in New York. Here on the East Coast, New Jersey, Maryland, and Massachusetts have gun permit laws similar to the ones struck down in New York. All those laws now vulnerable to legal challenges. Christine.
All right, Tony, thank you. And in a statement, President Biden said that he is deeply disappointed by the Supreme Court ruling, saying, quote, it contradicts both common sense and the Constitution and should deeply trouble us all. He urged states to pass new laws and also called on Americans across the country to make their voices heard on gun safety, adding, lives are on the line.
So he had the nerve to talk about common sense. That's crazy, but something to talk about, How y'all feel about the gun laws being, I guess, dismissed or whatever? I guess they're going to make it where people in New York can carry as long as you have a valid reason, which I think everybody has a valid reason, but I guess a discussion, for comments. So just leave a comment, subscribe. I'm going to be talking about more stuff soon. And also, I got a little giveaway I'm doing. When I get to 1,000 viewers, got some shoes, little Alexander Queen shoes that I'm trying to, give away to a subscriber that's showing a lot of love. So definitely hit me back. And hopefully watch it to the end of the video so you can see it. And, I'm going to holler at y'all, man. One.